Oh, Shatakan kitties.
Don't you dare post that on YouTube!
Shut up, you imbecile.
What a big storm coming in, guys. Gee, you could hear it. Like that. Let's get inside before it hits. Wow. Huge storm installed coming. Lots of rain. Wind is coming. We're expecting some storms. Looking at the radar. So windy, guys. Absolutely nuts. The rain is literally coming. It's showing on the radar. Absolutely crazy. Just look at that. Wow. Woo, 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 it's windy. It's coming in. Almost over us. Not sure if that's dust or fire, guys. Looks like dust. Right, we're going inside now. Too dangerous. Wow. The wind's like 80 kilometres an hour. I was just looking at it on the radar. Jeez. Major windstorm. Look at all the dust down there. Wow. Crazy weather. It's already cooled down a bit. Wow, that wind. Oh my lord. That is just nuts. I got to drive in all this after because I'm at an appointment. Oh, look at those trees going crazy. Gee. Wow. Oh, a bit of rain. Yep. I'll just stand back a tad. A little bit of rain, but it's just dirty, shitty showers. Sorry to put it that way. Yeah, dirty showers, I hate them. They're a pain in the ass. Because they leave a whole lot of muck all over the car. Until I trip over. I just trip over this stupid thing. Oh, look at the dust over that mount there. Wow. So yeah, just a major serious windstorm really. It was going ballistic when I was going in paying for my appointment. Paying $130,000 for my appointment. Listen to that wind kicking the phone. Wow. I hope it doesn't blow the phone off my hands. Oh, Jesus. That rain. So, like we all saw just before, guys, it was over there. Now it's right over us. Right over us. Like a bit of a hurricane, eh? Oh. Listen to that wind kick the phone. There's a little bit of rain, but it's dirty showers, I think. Because there's a lot of dust in the air too. Things have been so dry. And it's raining now, a little bit. Not enough to wet everything though, but still raining. It's going to be over before we know it. Look at all that, it's clearing up. And things are slightly wet, but it's not enough yet.